Making money as a teen has never been as easy as it is today. With many of the methods out there, you can start at a very young age, unlike in the past. If you watch this full method today and implement the strategy I teach, then you'll be well on your way to be making $200 online each and every day, if not even more. For this method, we'll be using a platform to start called ClickBank. This strategy is great for teens, as with both the free traffic source and this website here, the legal age to use them is only 13. Also, this method uses completely free websites and no payments are required when signing up. Lastly, before I start, not only is this a free strategy to begin with, but you also don't need to be paying for any ads and you can do the whole thing without even showing your face. So now we're on ClickBank's marketplace. What we want to do is have a look at some of their categories on the left here. The one that we'll be focusing on today is self-help. This can be done with almost any of the other categories with different videos, etc. But for now, if you follow along with this one, then you can choose something else at the end if you want. Now we're on the self-help section. What we want to do first is sort by gravity. This is now going to bring up all the top products being sold currently by other affiliates, giving you the best offers. This here on the right is then the commissions that you're going to receive after every sale. In the middle, we then have each of the different products named here. But for this method now, we're just going to use this top one here. Relationship offers do really well and can generate some huge numbers as well. So this is why this is a really great strategy for beginners to start. What you want to do is go onto their product pages and just have a look around, see if it's the type of product that you want to promote. This is the products page that I'm going to be using. You then also have the affiliate page underneath. This is then for you as an affiliate marketer when you're promoting products. Gives you a bit of a background on the product. It's got banners and then sample emails you can use, everything to help you get as much sales as you can. So now you've chosen the product you want to promote, we need to now find our free traffic source. And what we're going to be using today is YouTube. This is such a powerful tool, as you can have videos get thousands of views very quickly. As well as this, YouTube can offer multiple ways to make money, even with little subscribers. Not only will you be able to make money through YouTube AdSense, which isn't what we're doing today, but you also can then make money through the ClickBank sales. You only need a small amount of views for this, and if you can then convert them into sales, you'll then be able to make a lot more money before you even get monetized. Now we aren't going to have to use our own face for this method either, so it's all done through a bit of editing using a free software that does the whole process almost for us. If you also stick around right till the end, I'll show you how to double, triple or even quadruple your views by using a different platform. Let me show you now just a few different channels that are doing this and bringing in thousands of views every single day. This is also with the free software that I showed you at the beginning. So you'll be able to make these videos just like this, if not even better. So this channel here, Body Hub, they're just making videos which are around 10 minutes long. And if I show you when they first started, so their oldest video here, they were only making videos that were 4, 6, 4, even shorter than 4 minutes long. And now they've built up in 4 years almost to 1 million subscribers. So that's exactly what we're going to do today, making short 4-minute clips which can be very easily done. These videos they're creating also are just information about the body with a simple voiceover. This again doesn't have to be done by you. You can also do it without a voice, but I'll come to that a bit later. If I just show you their Social Blade stats as well, you can see that they're making quite a bit already just from AdSense alone. These Social Blade stats are almost always too small as well. The £6,000 a month could even be way much more. This is also done just on a $4 CPM. Now, if this channel was also then doing affiliate marketing by doing what we're going to do today and adding a link to their description, sending people to that offer, they could then be making even more than just 6,000 a gain from affiliate commissions alone. Now, moving on to how we can then make these short videos in a very quick time without too much work. We'll be using a free website called InVideo. All we need to do is get the free version, but if you want to upgrade when you start bringing in some money, that will also work just as well. There might also be a few more features you can use. Once you then signed up and made an account, you'll then see this screen here. From this, we now want to decide what format we'll be using. As we're using YouTube, we want the wide one, but for other platforms, we can use different formats like these two here. If we just click on the wide format and then come over to the bit here where it says text to video, this is where we're then going to get pre-made videos for us that all we need to do is enter in our text, and I'll show you how to get that in a second. I'll just probably pick this template here for now, but you can choose whatever one you like, but find something that can fit within the niche that you've chosen. So once you've found one, click on it and then press use this template. Once we've then done that, it will then bring us through to the editing page. We now need to find the information and the text that we're going to use to fill out this video. So InVideo can then create the whole thing for us and design it to the text we chose. So to do this, we're obviously in the relationship niche. We need to go over to Google and search relationship advice for men. This is then going to bring up hopefully relevant information to our niche that we can then use in our video. So have a search through some of these different links and find something that fits well. And then when you've found one you're happy with, make sure you don't just completely copy the whole thing. Alter a few things and make it more unique to the channel and more of something people could watch and listen to while the video is playing. So I've just found this one here and it's got 22 different things that you can pick. So for now, if we just choose the first 3 and we can go from there. I'm going to copy and paste it now, but make sure when you do it, change a few things to make it suited to more like a video. So head back to InVideo now and just write out the headline. So that's our headline. Then come back to your article and we're going to get the first 3. So now I've added these, what you want to do is maybe change a few things up as well, add an extra little bit to fill it out a bit more. But what I'll do, I'll just press next now and that will take us on to the next step so you can see what's going to happen. Press rearrange text as well, as it will then break it up into different scenes. And then as you can see, you've got the script on the left here and each of these are different scenes. You've then got the media, which type of image that comes up behind. As you can see as well, most of the images are relevant to what the writing is. And that's why InVideo is so powerful, as you don't have to do almost any work at all. There may be a few things you'd have to touch up, but that's about it. But however, sometimes these aren't going to be exactly perfect. So if you want to edit scenes, you can then press edit on the right. And then once you're into this scene, you can completely edit every section of it. You can change the writing, you can change the type of media. Then got a load of stock images that you can choose. But like I said, you might find that the software has done well and created exactly how you want it, but for the last few things you may want to then change it up a tiny bit more. Once you've then done that for every scene and made sure every single one's right, if to make it slightly better, you've got this advanced filter at the top. This will then give you every single scene back to back and you can really see what it looked like as a YouTube video, and it will give you complete control over the clip. And like I said earlier about the voiceover, to add that something extra to the video, we could record our own voice, or if you wanted to, you could then pay someone on Fiverr a small amount and then you could upload it through there. Whatever way you pick, it will really benefit the video's performance on YouTube. Another thing you could do is to keep someone engaged in your video. If you don't want to use your own voice or you don't want to pay someone, you could then just add automated text to speech. So once you've completed the whole video and everything's perfect, just come to the top right and press download and share, and then you'll get it in normal 720p video, and then you can export it and then upload that to YouTube. I'm not going to show you that upload process as it's very simple and it's something you can do yourself. But as you got right to the end of this video now, rather than showing you how to upload it to YouTube, I'll show you how you can double your views using a different platform. If we just head over to TikTok, as it's such a powerful social media, currently people are getting thousands if not millions of views without any followers at all. So this here is an example of a relationship account that has all kinds of different videos, all of course without showing their face at all. All the account's doing is using stock videos and photos from somewhere like Pexels, and then what they're doing on top of that is adding facts of information about relationships. So this is exactly what we've been doing over on YouTube. So to then increase your videos, you send people to YouTube at the end of each video, or just simply direct people to it through the link in your bio. You could then get multiple videos up each and every day and sending them to your link. And like, look here, you got 11,000 views on this one. Imagine if just 1% of those went to each of your videos and then saw the link in your description and then purchased your affiliate product through your link. You'll be well on your way to be making $200 a day. If you've enjoyed this video, then please drop a like and subscribe for future money making content.